ACT Foundations Question 92. Memedicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English Foundation Verb Tense Question 92. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. Miss Espinoza blanked them about volcanoes. The task here is to shift the tense of teach to its simple past tense verb form. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to the original question. Now for the solution. Taught is the simple past tense verb form of teach. This is an irregular verb form, so you'll have to commit it to memory.